up on my bullshit, back up on the scene.
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, I would go. Holidays, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was lost, like close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my soul.
Happy birthday!
Not heavy.
This world concrete, I would go. Holidays, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Oh! Can I pull it? A little bit before use. Move before use. I'm trying to move. You charge that guy?
I don't think the battery is in there.
Oh, I know that. This is the bag. Okay, got me. So guys, this is the fit. You know, we're loving it. Gonna eat up. Can I like? How do I move this?
We gonna be back when she set it up.
Right.
It looks so weird, like recording. It's so weird, like recording.
Then Auntie got her little, you know, and then we got a little, well, she has a little cookie thing coming out, and it has ice cream on it. But yeah, look at her being a big bag, y'all. That is insane. Like, you might even get a time, or like, that's insane. And then she recording, like, but she does YouTube. She be doing like vlogs and stuff. Because I'm always on live. Well, I haven't been on live lately because they've been working me like a little slave, but you know.
Alright, so we're just leaving the pizza place.
You ain't catch it.
What you rate the food?
I give it a 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. What about customer service?
It was 10 out of 10. She was really sweet. She told me she hopes that I get everything that I deserve.
It's about to rain.
For my birthday. Why you say that?
I feel some water.
You're pretty.
We should tell her. We should like.
Huh?
Oh, it's my birthday. Oh, happy birthday.
Alright, so it's dark over here.
Oh, it really is getting dark.
They was looking at me vlog. Alright, so right, so what do I rate it?
Why is they giving like you know,
It's so
Mario?
cute, great. Alright, but the food
was trash. That's all. I don't know what type of seasoning they had on it. That bread was nasty. Exactly. The pizza was so thin. the cheese. I don't know what kind of cheese it was, but her.
Yeah, that was a flat pizza.
On top of that, it was like, I don't know. I don't feel like it was worth the money. Like, but the crust was definitely nasty.
I could have made them wings myself. Like, the wings, I must say, I give it a 6.5 out of 10. But that little cookie thing.
She took it a 6.45, y'all. But at the end of the day, her plate was clean. I mean, to the bone. I mean, meat and everything. Skin was gone, like everything.
I was hungry, y'all. I was.
No. And this was jumbo size. There is no way it was a 6.5. More like a 9.5.
Hey, I was hungry. You'll be surprised what you eat when you're hungry.
Man, and then hold on, and then pause. The way she ate that cookie, ice cream thing, she ate the whole plate just about.
Hey, hold on. You remember it was another car here, like, man, right? Why I came out here? I'm about to say somebody repo my car.
Oh, Jesus.
But,
Fix it.
I'm gonna say the wings was a 6.5, but that little cookie ice cream type thing, 10 out of 10. Big bad activities and customer service, 10 out of 10. Shout out to Olivia. Yeah, if you see this video,
Good luck, Charlie. No.
Hey y'all, so y'all know that dance that the boys be doing on TikTok, right? It went viral. Alright, so boom. Let me sit y'all. Let me go. See me? Let me.
Bro, hold on.
Do you know what I'm doing?
No.
Since I been, I got you beat. Like I said.
I don't know about who.
Glad I won't name dropping, cause god damn.
Hey, I would have hit that click up.
You should have said Regina, you on live.
And they say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is polite. Tell me in the hall, but tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Only if you said the right. I just wanna put in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Say where the love is like.
Alright, so it's day 2 of being in Wilmington, and we finally made it to the beach. Now, I'm hoping y'all can hear me because it's windy out here, but I'm walking, getting in a little Cardell, you know, enjoying being away from home. Y'all, my feet so swole. Yeah, I wasn't prepared for all that water now. I'm about to fall down. It's cool out here too. Like, it's not too cold, but tell me where I'm sleeping. So I stayed up to like 2 or 3 this morning, joking with my sister all on live and stuff. And then I ended up waking up like 9 or 10 this morning, I believe. If we were at home, I would have went back to sleep. But since we on vacation, done paid for everything, I'm like, nah, let me get up. Go vlog. And watch. As soon as I get back home, I'm gonna be nervous to pull my camera out. But since these people don't know me, I'm gonna record. Cause I mean, what can they say to me? They ain't gonna do nothing. Probably ask, "Oh, what's your YouTube?"
I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank for you, and I just say I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank for you, and I just say I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thank for you, and I just say I don't mean to be bold.
They give you a lot of fries. They give you a lot of fries. Yes.
Just imagine getting up there and it's rocking back and forth like that, bro. I ain't know. I have been myself. Oh, you put the money in there already? Yeah. And my camera sit right there. Oh. You know what? It sucks. Unless I go over and sit there, I want that to cash back. Let me see. Hold on. I don't know how to do it. I think you just go by itself. For all kids too. You suck. Okay, I'm putting myself up here. I'm gonna see if they didn't have it. Now we get people.
I was about to say I wouldn't.
Okay. I'm gonna get some change. Why is everybody ahead of me? You gotta come on.
Hit the turbo button.
Look, turbo.
The green one. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I gotta keep pressing.
Yeah, you gotta keep hitting it every time.
Oh, I gotta
Alright, y'all, so we're just leaving. What is it called? Rooster and Crow? Something. But anyway, I'm gonna put the title in the video. We just now leaving from that restaurant. About to go back to the Airbnb. And this will probably be the end of this vlog. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.